Hello everyone, this is Alice from Hubei Qixing Group Company, and now I'd like to introduce one of our light truck, which model number is Qixing1055, and the general dimension is for the length is 6 meters, and for the width is 2.15 meters, and the height is 2.4 meters, which didn't include for the spoiler, which is optional. Okay, and for the GVW of this truck is 5 tons, and the curb weight is 2.45 tons. So the rated payload is 2.5 tons. And now I'd like to introduce this whole truck in two parts. Okay, the part one is for the cabin parts. Regarding this cabin, we can see from the appearance, it looks very big and elegant. Yes, you're right, because this truck is the new design wide cabin, and the width is 1.9 meters, which we design and supplied to Hyundai China company. Okay, and the second is this cabin use the center lock and power window. And thirdly is for the cabin parts like the front windshield and the rear windshield and the door glasses, include like the headlamp, the rear wheel mirror, and even the seat belt. Regarding these parts, we already passed the EMAC certification. Okay, and regarding the inside, we can have a look. The inside we can see the space is very big, so which means when you're driving or sitting inside you will feel very comfortable. And another one is for the seat. The driver seat is fabric reclinable seat, and the leather seat material is optional. Okay, this is for the part one for the cabin. Now I'd like to introduce about our part two, the chassis parts. Regarding the chassis, I'd like to introduce for the powertrain firstly. Our powertrain is using the world famous brands. The engine is Isuzu engine, and the transmission is Geartrack transmission. And regarding the engine, which rated power is 80 kilowatts, and the displacement is 2,771 milliliters, which is Euro 4 emission. But for the different markets, we can supply it in different emission standard, from the Euro 1 to Euro 5. Okay, and another one is about the fuel tank. The fuel tank is metal material, and the capacity is 85 liters. And the max speed for this truck is 110 kilometers per hour. For the rear axles, the gear ratio is 5.875, but we have the others like 5.833 and 6.165. These are optional, which is depends on your requirement for the speed, and which can be changed and customized. Regarding the braking system of the whole truck, the front is drum and the rear side also is drum. Okay, uh, this is the wheelbase of this truck is 3.3 meters. This is for the 5 tons, but we can use the same cabin to match for the GVW from 5 tons to 8 tons. So if you have any special requirements for the design or for the specifications of the light truck, you can contact with us. We can customize for you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.